Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I will show you unboxing of this high power LED flashlight. Here you can see that the USB power high power flashlight. There is some key specification. Now let's open it and then I will show you. There is flashlight and there is charging indicator. Charge with mobile lead. There is cob light. Here you can see that battery indicator. Now let's time for charging test. There is power bank. So friends, that's all about from my this video. I hope you will enjoy this video. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. In next video I will show you unboxing of this mini power light. So subscribe and press bell icon. Have a great day.